are who we thought they were.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Before I get into this vid, this will be the last video that y'all gonna see any kind of like, like heads up on the Air Jordan 13 He Got Game raffle that we're doing. Me, Jumpman Chris, Rishy Rish, and He Got Kicks. We're gonna be naming the winners Wednesday, Thursday. I know for a fact that I'm gonna name my winner on my sneaker rotation. I don't really know how we're gonna name the winners if we do it on Wednesday, but I know for a fact y'all need to report the bridge for the sneaker rotation, even if it's gonna be whack, because I'm gonna be telling the winner. I actually got a surprise package in from Effectus Clothing today. I was hyped because I was only gonna do my pickup that I got on Saturday. Y'all probably know what it is. We'll get into that in a second, but first up, yo, I appreciate this, man. Like I said, this was a damn sure was a surprise, boy. Mailman came through today. I was like,
I cannot believe it.
see what we got here, see what we got here. Okay, first tee. This is for the 12s that are supposed to be dropping. My bad, I don't know which ones they are, but, oh, trap heavy, you already know. Bam. You could, if you're not gonna cop those 12s, you can rock these with some Timbs. And you know me, I'm gonna find something to rock with these tees anyway. You already know. Or second tee. Oh yeah, no, I like this one, boy. Like this one right here, boy. Hustling. Kind of like the Heineken tee. I used to have a Fat Joe tee back in the day. It said hi again. And I remember like teachers used to try to give me slack. And I was like, nah, it meant like hi. But it was H-I-G-H.
Most definitely.
Next joint, boom. Woo. I already see the next set of tees coming up. Yo, I'm hyped for these. Bam, where we at? Boom. Let's count it again. The Scarface joint. Or this is right before Tony got busted. Hell yeah. Next tee. This is for the He Got Games right here, yo. Or yo, I do like their lineup for He Got Game joints. You know me, a white tee is a white tee, but you're gonna see why I really like these joints. Bam. He Got Aim. Public Figure. Bam. Next up. Ooh, yeah, this is the one.
Yeah, the one you know about.
Ooh, look at Lala. Look at my baby. Oh. I love in this movie right here. That's my boo right there, boy. Lala. Or I Got Game. Yeah. Joint's nice. And last up, this one is just this is hard. This one hard for real. Bam. Jesus Walks. Got that Jesus Shuttleworth holding 2 basketballs. Yeah, that joint tough right there. Word. I wish they would have came in like black and something, but you know, sponsees can't be choosy. You know what I'm saying? We just rock these joints and do what we do. So you got the Jesus Walks right here. Bam. You got my baby Lala right there. I Got Game. He also got Aim. Public Figure. These are for the 12s. Let's count it again. Trap Star Hustling. And Trap. Oh, I rock this, matter of fact. That rhyme, right?
Hell no.
It's spelled with 2 P's. You know what I'm saying? So it's not the same thing. Word. So bam. Yo, shout out to you, Brian, again. Don't forget, check out Effectus Clothing. Use my discount code WAVY. Save 25%. Only use my discount code if they don't have like that 40% sale going on. What I think I'm gonna start doing is utilizing my Twitter. Utilizing my Twitter a lot more. And whenever I see like a 40% off sale, I'm gonna go to Twitter and probably go to, I always do it on Instagram, so it ain't really no thing. And I'll probably go to, what is it? Snap, yeah, Snap. But anyway, man, yeah. So shout out to Effectus Clothing again. On to the next package. Yo, got this joint in. Well, I picked this up at Foot Locker. I'm still kind of on the fence about this joint. How much I spend on these? So I'll tell you the right thing. Okay. I don't know, man. I'm still kind of like, do I keep these or not? But you already know what these are, man. These are the Air Flightposites. Dark Neon Royal DK.
You can't read.
If they're a Quick Strike, why are they not labeled Quick Strike on the damn tag right here?
Don't ask. No questions. Just give the money.
Let's just open them up right quick. Boom. Oh my God. I don't know, boy. This is like Fisher Price at his best. I ain't gonna front. They hard, but I'm gonna tell you my gripes right now. We'll pull these joints out. I don't know, man. I'm still kind of thinking about taking these back, man. Y'all will know if I'm doing it on foot, cause I mean, I might do them and clean them up, but no, boy. This is my problem with them. The price point. They didn't say anything about these being a quick strike, not that I know of. So, damn, I couldn't even use my military discount.
You know, they beat me down on my goddamn socks.
And when I look on StockX, I see these joints for like $179. Now, granted, you add on like that $13.95 service thing, whatever, and I don't even know what they do with the shipping. I don't know. You're almost there, but damn, I kind of could have got these off of the sneakers app and got 10%. I mean, I ain't really tripping. They cool. I know for, okay, boom. Let's take it back.
I'm gonna reverse the script. Check this out.
Pick these up on Saturday. Only 2 stores got these joints, 125th and Fordham. I believe Fordham don't even have the size anymore. Then when I got to the damn cash register, they was like, yo, these are quick strikes. So I was like, damn. Now I did see that these run from like a size 8 to, I believe, like an 11 and a half. Like that's the only way I see these joints selling out. But I don't know if I'm that happy with the price that I paid. But I'm not really tripping too tough over like $20, but $20, it is something, like it's something, but I don't know if I want to go take these back and then wait for StockX, you know, like just to get me $20. You want to go through all that, and I don't know who the hell's selling their joints on StockX, you know what I'm saying? Like, ooh, you ain't getting shit. But anyway, man, let's just get into it, yo. We're gonna start with the sole. Bam. You got your translucent sole, Nike Flight Systems, Flightposite technology engraved in the middle. You got a so-called carbon plate, but it's not even carbon. It's like plasticky right there in the middle. Nike swoosh badge at the top in royal blue. We take it to the medial side. The whole sneaker's the same. It's wrapped in that Flightposite material, dark royal blue. You got 2 black mesh-like shapes positioned at the upper. Take it to the lateral side. Same thing as the medial side, Flightposite material. You got your somewhat shank. It's not carbon though. I don't know what it is, but it's not carbon. This is like plastic. We're gonna say I don't know what it is. But yeah, it's plastic. Nike swoosh indentation on the lateral side. Take it to the toe box. Toe box the same thing. Now leading up to the tongue, it's not like leather, it's like leathery. Here you got your black Nike swoosh outlined in royal blue. The tongue, you got your white Nike swoosh outlined in royal blue. Velcro under that. Let's unzip this joint right quick, see what we're looking like. Black zipper. Open it up. You got your shoelaces. These are pretty much not needed. I ain't gonna front, but whatever. At the top, you got your Flightposite pull tab right here, black with Flightposite lettering in royal and 4 stripes. In the back, you got your pull tab with 4 royal blue stripes and your patented 3 dots. Also at the upper of the heel, you got your black Nike swoosh outlined in royal blue. The heel on the OG Flightposites is usually leather, but this definitely ain't. I'm gonna let y'all see the sole. Oh yeah, come out nice and easy, cool. All right, so the insole. This looks kind of cool though, I ain't gonna lie, but it ain't $200 cool. So the insole's black with a whole bunch of blue circly shapes going on. Yeah, as you can tell, I'm not too hype about these. It's like right now I'm still like, yo, do I even put these joints on? I mean, I know y'all want to see me do the on foot, but damn, I don't know. Like, I got options. Do I just wait for them to hit the damn? Cause I'm just kind of tight. I didn't get a discount. Do I wait for them to hit the outlets or what?
Well, there is no or what.
It's just, I don't feel that 200 bucks is worth these joints, man. Unless, if you don't have a Flightposite or if you don't have the royal blue foams or something, yeah, but I don't know, man. What y'all think, man? Let me know what y'all think. I wish the sole was black. I just think that they could have done better and not just rocked us to sleep talking about these are a quick strike, because ain't nothing quick strike about these to me, you know what I mean? I don't know. I'm gonna give y'all a couple more looks or whatever. I don't know, man. I'm thinking about taking these joints back, boy, for real. They gonna be, these are outlet joints, man, for real. Yeah, yeah, man, my bad, y'all. Hey, yeah, I'm taking these joints back. If I gotta think about it for like that, they gotta go back. These are definitely gonna be at the outlets pretty soon. I'll just wait.
What?
I'm not happy about this purchase right here. This would definitely be on like my top 5 regrets for real. for this year. So it's like, nah. And I ain't even gonna, I would do it. You know I would throw these on. I throw them on with some light jeans, of course, some black jeans. And I was like, yo, I'm gonna throw on the gray joints, but I ain't even gonna do that. I don't wanna sit here and rock y'all to sleep. I just didn't like how, I don't like the fact I couldn't get a discount on these. That's it. If I would have ordered these off of, what is it, the sneakers app, cool. But I don't really wanna go through so much, I don't know. I just don't want to go through the hassle with these joints, man. I don't know. I just don't feel right about this purchase.
This nigga's scared.
$217. Nah. Wait for these joints to go to the outlets. They definitely will be going to the outlets. And if anybody does catch them at their outlet,
I want you to call me.
I know it's gonna be like a month or so from now. Yeah, I'll cop them at outlet price. I would, but. No, Nike, you've disappointed me, so I'll be sending these joints. I'm taking these back. I ain't rocking them. Nah. They cool though. I'm not gonna lie. And you see, I'm going back. They are cool. These are not like, oh, they just wet. But for that 200, nah, man. I'm just not. I ain't with it.
Too smooth now? That's what it is. You too smooth?
I mean, bro, I'm good. I got Royal Foams, and it's not like I'm not gonna cop these joints. I'm just not gonna pay that price. If I could have saved like 30 bucks, like 35 bucks, yeah, I'm with it, but not that. And then come on, man, you know what I'm saying? Bring it back to that real, you know? Like, look at that. Look. No, sir. This is Fisher Price compared to these. Definitely. Look at that.
Look at it.
Come on, man. Nah, there will be no on foot today. Sorry. The only reason I'm not gonna do it is because I just don't want to put this sneaker on just for the fact of, you know, like, nah, I ain't gonna do that. Plus, if somebody wants these joints, they got a DS pair of Flightposites, whatever. About to get up out of here. If y'all like this vid, if you like the fact that I just kept it real and was just like, well, all that, and kept it real. You like the fact that I was just being honest and I just truly felt like, nah, man, this ain't it. Hit that like button for me, but just make sure y'all hit that like button. Can we get this video to 200 likes? My bad that I didn't do the on foot, but it's just, nah, this ain't it. They cool, but for that price is a little crazy. But I will not just turn these back into Foot Locker and then go on StockX right away. I need like I need 35. I need at least to save $35 on these joints and not overpay. Fuck that. So whenever I do get these, I'm just gonna go straight to an on foot. That's what the video is gonna be about. It's gonna be I might vlog and be like, yo, now we're gonna get to the on foot, but that's it, man. Hey, hit that like button for me. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Don't forget, if you haven't entered the Jordan 13, he got game giveaway, please don't enter that giveaway. So there'll be no, nah, just playing. You know, yo, get your free pair of sneakers. You know, all you gotta do, hit done. And if you got IG, put your IG down, and you're gonna have 2 chances in my raffle. You know what I'm saying? Done, IG name. That's it. You know what I'm saying? Nothing else. But anyway, man, about to get up out of here. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be. But that Snups
Don't exist.
It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Ow. Nah.
Relax, man. I already heard. Go sit down.